In reading class, we've been working on story parts using the Caspar chart. So today I'm going to work through a Caspar chart using Crispy Helps Out, a short story that is posted on my blog. So if we focus first on C, at the beginning of the story usually we are introduced to our main characters. In this story our main characters are Penny and Crispy. A stands for adjective. These are descriptive words about our characters. First of all, we have Penny, who was embarrassed, lonely, and forlorn. Guys, you'll remember forlorn is a word that we learned from Crowboy, a read aloud we did. Crispy was helpful and friendly in the story. Also, in the beginning of the story, we're usually introduced to S, which stands for setting. This is the when and the where that the majority of the story takes place. In this story, it was the first day of school in Mr. Brantner's class. So the beginning of the story usually gives us the Cas part of the Caspar chart. Then we are introduced to P, the problem, and this usually signifies the middle of the story. Penny didn't know anyone, so she felt scared and lonely in our story. After the problem's introduced, we have rising action. Mr. Brantner asked everyone to sit down. It's a short story. There wasn't a whole lot of action, right? Then the end of the story occurs when the resolution happens. Excuse me. When the problem is solved. In this story, Crispy invited Penny to sit by him. She was thankful because he made her day. Put it all together, we have Caspar. Characters, adjectives describing the characters, the setting, the problem, the rising action which leads us to our resolution. Later I'm going to show you how to take that and turn it into a nice, concise summary.